Hey guys, this is Selena Newborn, and welcome to this tutorial on how to make reactive redeems on your stream. For this tutorial, I'm going to be making a reactive Headpat GIF redeem, just like this one. So, how to make it is that you go over to a site called TriggerFyre. I'm going to be linking the link in the description below so that you only have to click and get this easy access to the website. The second link that's going to be in the link that's going to be in the description below is obviously the link to the Headpat GIF. Once you download the Headpat GIF or whatever GIF that you want to set up, head over and click the login with Twitch button and authorize your login information. Since I've already done this, I don't need to do it. And then you'll see this page. Here you can set up images, videos, sounds, OBS, or groups. In this tutorial, I'm going to be going over the images part with the reactive GIF. So underneath my PNG that you can see in the bottom right corner, there are going to be two buttons. A pink one, which is for the link, which I'm going to go over later on in the video, and one blue button with a plus on it that is for creation. Click on the blue plus button and you'll get to this page. Here, you can set up a command name, obviously, which is what you need to do to set. You need to set a command name, but you can turn off the command if you don't want it, if you just want it for redeems. So for this tutorial's sake, I'm gonna name my command Headpats2. And then after you've done that, you click on this button if you want to make it a redeem. Now, if you already know how to make a redeem, you can skip over the next step. I'm just going to be quickly going over how to make a redeem. But if you've already made a redeem, all you need to do is put the redeem name in this box. So how to make a redeem, you ask? Oh, well, go over to Twitch and go over to click on your button here and click, well, Creator Dashboard. It should appear. Then once you're in the Creator Dashboard, you click on Channel Points underneath Viewer Redeems and click on Manage Rewards and Challenges. Once you're in this page, you scroll down a bit until you see Add New Custom Reward. And in here, you can name your reward whatever you want. For the sake of this video, Headpats, on spell, Headpats2. Go ahead and enter a cost name and enter whatever description you want. For the sake of this video tutorial, hit the create button that's down here and head back over to TriggerFyre. Once you're in TriggerFyre, put your redeem name in this box and hit save. Here is also where you can disable or enable the command. So if you want the command to be enabled, so that when people type this command, or whatever you typed here, into your chat, it'll have the same effect as if they redeemed the redeem. For this sake, I'm not going to allow it, and hit save. Now you got the actual redeem connected to your Twitch redeems. So, here underneath advanced, you can click select image and go to upload. Here, you go into where you've saved your GIF and just drag and drop it. Once you've dragged and dropped and uploaded, you can go back to images and you'll see this appear. Click on the check mark and now your trigger is essentially set up. You can change your size, your duration, your position, and your Y position, but that is better to mess around with after you've added the link, which I'm going to go over in a small minute, which is like right now. Click on save, and it will save it as a trigger. It'll appear here. Now, go over to the pink chain button and click that. This will bring you to an overlay button, and you can click copy link. If you would rather have it as a window, you can open it up in the window here and just add it as a window capture instead. But for this, I'm going to copy the link as I have a browser plugin. So copy it, go over to your OBS. Sorry for the mess, but I'm going to disable my old Headpats command or browser source, and I'm going to click add browser, call it Trigger, my name is spell TriggerFyre triggers. You can call it whatever you want, but once you're in this little text box, here is where you want to enter your link, and you want to enter the proportions that you stream with. So for me, it is 1080, or no, 1280. I can't spell. 1280 by 720. Once you've done that, hit OK, and it should automatically adjust. Now, if you head back over to your chat and redeem the new redeem, you should see it appear on stream. Now, if you go back to your here and set it up, you can mess around with the X and Y positions. But if you want to turn, for example, the GIF around, like I have on my original, as you saw in the start of the video, it's pretty simple. Just head over to TriggerFyre or your source, hit, let's see, filters. Wait, no, I'm stupid. Just right click, transform, and use the flip or rotate to flip them around, whatever. Once you've flipped them around, if you want to flip them around, that is, this is how it'll appear. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and select the size on my GIF to 25. And I'm going to go ahead and add my position, which is -100 x 45 y. And these positions will exactly coordinate to this location right here. Obviously, the coordinates will be different, I believe, on the different size that you choose for your browser. But essentially, this is how you make reactive redeems on your stream. It's not limited to just GIFs. You can have it on PNGs, GIFs, videos, sounds, and more, I think. But anyway, I hope you learned something from this tutorial and that you can now successfully add a reactive redeem to your Twitch stream. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found something useful from this tutorial. If you want to see other tutorials, pop or comment below in the comment section, and I'll have a look through it, see if I can figure it out, and I'll put a video on it. But other than that, again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, a like would be appreciated. Hopefully now you know how to make a reactive redeem. This has been Cecilina Newborn. Go make that reactive redeem on your Twitch channel now. I'll see you next time. Bye!